Welcome to JRY TV. How many floors were there in Noah's boat? Three floors. Who is the most intelligent creature in the world after man? A spider. On which nation was Mano and Salwa sent down by Allah Ta'ala? Bani Israel. How long did Hazrat Ali hold the position of Caliph? 4 years and 9 months. Which nation was punished by a strong wind? The nation of Ad. What language did Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him, speak in the world? An Arabic. How many times is the word Allah in the Holy Quran? 6,584 times. How many gates of hell are there according to Quran? 7 gates. Which nation is said to be the most disobedient in the Holy Quran? The nation of Bani Israel. Which prophet was the first to introduce the method of measurement? Prophet Idris, peace be upon him. Which prophet of Allah Almighty first announced Hajj? Hazrat Ibrahim, peace be upon him. And thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe JRY TV for watching these kind of interesting videos. And we are very thankful to you. You are watching this beautiful content and enriching your knowledge.